Hey guys, how's going on? So yeah, my name is Samir. If you don't follow me yet, on the Instagram is where I'm most active. So yeah, this is my first video here in this YouTube channel just to pass too much value for you guys. Because guys, I can't, talk a long term in the Instagram. I even post the histories, all the stuff, but in the reels, it's not a lot. So I started this YouTube, this long term content because I can help you guys with a lot of things. So the first thing, guys, I'm 18 years old, drop out of school when I started making some money online. And my story is crazy because I just started, make some money at 16 years old. I think that most people don't know that, but I started with reselling, reselling clothes, reselling AirPods, all the stuff, I literally started making some money, good money. You can start making some money with this too. But I can't scale because I was on school, sometimes I need to, get out of school to meet someone to do the sale, all the stuff. So that's working well for me. And yeah, then I was just thinking to start some online business. And then I just tried dropship, all the stuff until I discovered trading. And yeah, that's why it's been clicking for me, And then most you guys think, when you discover this knowledge, everything is changed. Yeah, you're correct. Because guys, I know I can make this type of income, but just don't have the knowledge yet. So just when I find the knowledge, I just focus 100% on it. And nowadays it's too easy to become successful because guys, the most people can't focus 100% in each task. Because guys, you know, they have 24 hours, have just 60 hours wake up, you have 1,000 minutes a day. 1% of it is 10 minutes in a day, If you can't focus just 1% a day in each task, how you want to become successful? And that's the thing, guys. If you just focus 100% in task off the time, like I'm here recording this video, I'm not, talking to someone, nothing, When I'm working, when I'm in my 30 space, when I'm doing my trades, I put all my devices on focus modes and focus 100% on the trading. So that's the thing, guys. Just focus 100% in each task. I guarantee you'll become successful then, most 90% of this people in these planets because guys, everyone is just chasing dopamine, and you have two sides, if you're just consuming, seeing, of course YouTube nowadays is the biggest, the biggest app, the biggest place, the better place to have knowledge. You don't need to go to the college, go to the school, just need all you need to know is on YouTube. It's for free. So you just need to focus. Too easy nowadays to make money, especially online if you have all the knowledge. So that's the thing, guys. That's when I started to make some money. I started reselling, then moved to dropship. I failed. I spent too much money on ads, and try a lot of business model. Then I found in trading. In the beginning, I literally lost more than $15,000 on trading, and then after 3 years, I just started becoming profitable. And then, guys, nowadays I literally teach people how they can do the same. So now I do one-on-one mentorship directly with me. It's not a course, you just talk directly with me and literally help you out. Start with step by step with me. So literally students make tons of money for me nowadays. One of the best business model, like every business model works. You just need to focus 100% in each one. But for me, it's trading. I just focus 100% and go all in trading. So yeah, guys, that's the tip I give for you today. One of my YouTube channels, I will spend too much time here recording this type of videos for you guys to pass value. And yeah, just focus 100% at each task at the time, just 1% of your day. And another tip I give it to you guys because I use it too is put a stopwatch. Like every time I'm doing some task or I need to do some task, I put my stopwatch on to see how much time and how long I take to do this task. If I saw I literally passed like 1 hour, 40 minutes, and didn't know I accomplished anything, I'm doing something wrong. So that's the thing, I just put in my stopwatch, try to do the most things I can do at this time. So, guys, use this day productive, and then, when you start to make some money. So yeah, guys, just focus 100% on skill, like hung out to the right people. That was another thing who, clicked my mind too, because when I was with my broke friends in school, no one's making money, guys, just go to restaurants. You need to call for your parents to send money for us to pay the bill. But yep, like them, I just started making some money, started to go to a new place, different environments, meet new people. I was just realized, my first goal was make 10,000 a month, and just hang out with people who make that in a day. So that's the thing, you know, when you know this type of people, you know, everything is possible. You know, guys, there's so much money out there. I just decided to come to this place after winning day trade, making more than $7,000 in one day. Decided to come to this place, you know. 1 month ago, I was, you know, on the beach. So it's literally insane, you know. If you want to know, you know, get close to me. I still have my Telegram free channel, so I literally post my daily life there, and my Instagram too. So just, yeah, follow me there. But yeah, guys, just started this channel. I hope you know, see you there. Just subscribe and like this video because, yeah, I will post more videos there.